After killing those players, I noticed that there had a book in my inventory called Mafia. I was wondering what's in there. So I opened it and see. What the heck? I really tried my best? What's this? A surprise? Fine, let's go see what is this. Yes, it's right here. Let's see what's in the chest. Wait, is that TNT? Are you serious? Fortunately, my leggings are blast protection 4, and I react quickly so that I can survive. Wait, oh my god, so many gapple. What's in the shulker box? Oh my, what the heck, so many supplies and even a fully enchanted netherite sword. I bet. Right now, I think fighting other players won't be that dangerous anymore. Wait a second. Mafia?
Want to be stronger? Just go die right now.
Oh my god. Yes, bro. I can't believe I just killed a Mafia member. Wait, is this fully enchanted netherite boots? Oh my god. Right now, I have 3 netherite sets, just 1 leggings, then I will be invincible. That was a team who was doing something evil on this server. I need to kill them all. After killing these players, I realized that I'm not the one who are weak anymore. So I decided to kill the best player on my server to become new best player. Be honest, I don't think I can win this fight. Not only I running out of fire resistance, but also my armor running out of durability. Oh my god, my leggings were almost break. I think I need to regear my inventory and be fully prepared. So next time I will be winning.